A holiday meal can be challenging to prepare because there are so many foods being cooked at different times and temperatures. It's easy to forget that food safety is the most important ingredient. 4 simple steps can help ensure that harmful bacteria won't be a guest at your festivities. Clean, separate, cook, chill. Clean. Start with clean hands, cutting boards, and utensils. Dirty hands and surfaces can spread bacteria throughout the kitchen. Always wash your hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds before and after handling food. Clean your cutting boards, knives, and countertops with hot water and soap after preparing foods. Separate. Using the same cutting board for all foods can spread bacteria. Use separate cutting boards for fresh produce and for raw meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. Keep raw meat or poultry away from raw vegetables and other foods that won't be cooked. And don't put cooked food on platters that held raw meat or let cooked food come in contact with raw meat, poultry, or their juices because the juices may contain harmful bacteria. Cook. Keep in mind that you can't tell it's done by how it looks. Cooking to the safe temperature kills harmful bacteria. A basic for preparing any meat, poultry, casserole, or side dish is a food thermometer. If you use a food thermometer, you will know when your food is safe and you won't overcook it or undercook it. Find a chart of safe cooking temperatures at holidayfoodsafety.org. Chill. Make sure leftovers get put in the refrigerator within 2 hours of the meal. That includes your leftover pumpkin pie. Keep your fridge at a safe 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. And remember to use or freeze leftovers within 3 to 4 days. This holiday season, we want everyone to be food safe. This message is brought to you by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.